Hello everyone, I'm Sweetie Gain and welcome back to my channel. Before we start the video, if anyone new here, do subscribe, give a thumbs up, share the video, hit the bell icon for notification and leave a comment down below. Let's start. And cos 45 and sin 45 is same. So cos 45 and sin 45 will be 1 upon root 2 upon sec 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30. Then cos 30 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 and sec 30 will be 2 upon root 3 and plus cosec is the reciprocal of sine and sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Then cosec 30 will be just 2. Now 1 upon root 2 in LCM process we have root 3 and 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now 1 upon root 2 ये डिवाइड में है. अगर हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई में करना चाहते हैं तो क्या होता है, ये जो नीचे वाला डिनोमिनेटर में जो होता है वो ऊपर चला जाता है. Isn't it? It's like this. You all were doing that in class 8 or 9, something like this. A upon B or upon C upon D. It will be, we can write it like this: A upon B multiply with D upon C. ये रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है D upon C. Isn't it? तो हमने वही लिखा है. There is, it will be root 2, not root 3. It's 1 upon root 2 and now in denominator we have root 3. Write it like this: root 3 and upon it will be 2 plus 2 root 3. Now in upper side we have root 3 and lower side or in denominator we have root 2 into 2. It will be 2 root 2 and plus root 2. रूट का जो अंदर जो भी वैल्यू होता है रूट के अंदर ही मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड होता है. सो 2 root 3 2 is 6. Now we can't put it like this because in denominator we can't write root things, so we have to rationalize it. So I hope you all know about rationalize. What is rationalize? So like this: root 3 and 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. If we have to rationalize it, just multiply with in upper side and lower side with the same value of in denominator with the sign exchange. अगर प्लस यहाँ पे है then you have to multiply माइनस साइन. अगर माइनस है तो आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा प्लस साइन से. लाइक दिस. ऊपर में भी रूट 2 रूट 3 माइनस 2 रूट 6 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा और नीचे में भी 2 रूट 3 माइनस 2 रूट 6 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. अगर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो होगा रूट 3 विथ मल्टीप्लाई 2 रूट 3 माइनस 2 रूट 6 अपॉन 2 रूट 3 प्लस 2 रूट 6 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2 रूट 3 माइनस 2 रूट 6. If you see carefully, then there will be rule a square minus b square and it will be, we can write it like this: a plus b into a minus b. And now we have a plus b into a minus b, so we can write this rule: a square minus b square. In ऊपर में हम लिखेंगे 2 into root 3. Root 3 will be 3 minus 2 root 3 multiply with 6, it's 18. And in the denominator we have 2 root 3 square minus 2 root 6 square. Now 3 2 0 is 6 and 2 root 18. There is something wrong because we have, there is 2 root 2, okay, but I write it wrong. it's not 2 root 3, 2 root 2. Now there will be 2 root 2 and here it is 2 root 2. Okay, so the calculation we do, this is the wrong calculation, फिर से करना होगा. Okay, so now it will be we can, यहाँ पे भी 2 है और यहाँ पे भी 2 है. See, now then we can common it. So 2 अगर common लेंगे तो रहेगा क्या, 2 इन रूट के अंदर 3 2 is 6 minus 6 3 is 18. Okay, now 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. Okay, it will be 2 root 6 minus a root 18 upon 2 2 is 4 and root 2 will be just 2. Then 4 into 2 is 8 minus 2 2 is 4 and root 6 is 6. Then 4 and 6 will multiply करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 4 6 is 24. So now 2 root 6 minus root 18 upon 8 minus 24, it will be minus 16. It will be 8. Or now we have root 6 minus root 18 minus 8. We can't put it like this because in denominator we can't write minus sign. So अगर हमको माइनस को कैंसिल आउट करना है तो ऊपर में भी एक माइनस ले आना होगा. सो माइनस से हम ऊपर में मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो ऊपर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो होगा रूट 18 minus 6 and minus 8. Then minus will be cancelled out with each other. And now we can write root 18 minus root 6 upon 8. In root 18 we have 9 into 2, isn't it? और यहाँ पे है 3 into 2 upon 8. Okay, but 9 का तो पूरा स्क्वायर होता है ना, तो 9 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है 3 का अगर स्क्वायर करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 9. सो हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 3 रूट 2 माइनस रूट 6. यहाँ पे भी कुछ भी बाहर नहीं ला सकते क्योंकि किसी का भी पूरा स्क्वायर नहीं होता, अपॉन 8. दिस इज द आंसर. Now number 4. $30 is 1 upon 2 plus tan 45 is 1 and cosec 60 is reciprocal of sin 60 and sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 and then will be cosec 60 is 2 upon root 3 upon sec 30 is 2 upon root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 upon 2 and plus cot 45 is 1. Okay, now by LCM process ऊपर में होगा 2 root 3 और अगर 2 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा तो रहेगा root 3 and root 3 and 1 0 is root 3 plus 2 root 3 क्योंकि नीचे क्या है, नीचे 1 है और 1 तो अगर 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2 root 3 होगा, 2 root 3 से 1 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2 root 3 होगा. ओके, माइनस root 3 will be cancelled out, then we have 2 and 2 to 0 is 4. Divide or upon. In denominator we have 2 root 3. Now root 3 will be cancelled out. 2 to 0 is 4 and plus 2 will be cancelled out and we have root 3 and plus 2 root 3. Okay. In denominator we have root 3 but we can't keep it, so we have to remove it by rationalize it. Okay, so for the rationalization ऊपर and lower में हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा और 3 root 3 minus 4 multiply with root 3 minus 4 and नीचे होता है 3 root 3 plus 4 and multiply with 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay, so now 3 root 3 minus 4 square upon 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square. It will be the rules of a minus b whole square. So we can write it like this: 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square, sorry, plus 4 square minus 2ab. Okay, 2 into 3 root 3 into 4, 2ab upon 3 3 is 9 and root 3 will be 3. So 3 3 is 9 and 9 3 is 27. Okay, minus 4 4 is 16. Now in the last we have 27 plus 4 4 is 16 minus 2 3 is 6 and 4 is 24. 24 root 3 upon 27 minus 16 is 11. Now 27 and 60 ऐड करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. This is the answer for number 4. Answer for the number 5. 5 को हम as it is लिख देंगे. 5 multiply with cos square 60 and cos 60 is half and half square. Okay, because we have cos square, then we have to write half का square plus 4 multiply with sec square 30 and sec is 2 upon root 3, इसका square हो जाएगा minus 1. tan 45 is 1 and tan 1 square is 1. Okay, sin square 30 is 1 upon 2 square plus root 3 2 square equal to, we can write 5 into 1 upon 4 plus now 4 4s is 16 upon 3, 16 upon 3 minus 1, because root 3 and root 3 multiply करेंगे तो होगा 3. Okay, now in denominator we have 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. Now by LCM process नीचे हो जाएगा 12 and 3 4s is 12 and 3 5s is 15 plus in the same way 3 4s is 12 and we have 4 16s is 64 and minus 12. Divide in denominator we have 4 and 4 4s is 4 1s is 4 and 1 1s is 1 and 4 divide करेंगे तो होगा 1 and 3 1s is 3. And now we have 15 plus 64 minus 12. Okay, 15 or 64 is 70. 9 minus 12 we have 12 and upon 4 plus 4 upon 4 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 will cancel out with each other. Now we have 79 minus 12. 79 minus 12 is 67 upon 12. So this is the answer for number 5. In number 2, number 1 we have 210 upon 1 plus 10 square 30. 2 as it is रह जाएगा because 2 10 30 के साथ multiply में है. Okay, so 2 into 10 30 is 1 upon root 3. 0 then 30 then 45 then 60 then 90 and 0 is 10 0 is 0 then 30 में होगा 1 upon root 3 then 1 then just root 3 then not defined. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. ऊपर में तो हो गया, अब नीचे में क्या होगा? In denominator we have 1 plus 10 square 13. Okay, root 1 upon root 3 का square. Okay, so we have 2 root 3 and 1 plus 1 upon 3 root 3 is 3. So root 2 root 3 upon denominator में होगा in LCM process 3. 3 ones there is 3 plus 1. Okay, so we can write it like this: 2 root 3 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 upon 3. So now 2 root 3 डिवाइड में नहीं रख के हम मल्टीप्लाई में रख सकते हैं, तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई 3 अपॉन 4 हो जाएगा. देन 2 and 4 कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो होगा 2 and it will be 3 upon 2 root 3. हम लोग नीचे में रूट का कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं रख सकते, तो अगर हमको कैंसिल आउट करना है तो रैशनलाइज करना पड़ेगा. तो रैशनलाइज करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई विथ रूट 3. अगर रूट थ्री मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हो जाएगा जस्ट 3. सो वी कैन multiply with root 3 in lower side and upper side. So root 3 multiply with both side. So now we have 3 root 3 and 2 into 3. Okay, and 3 will be cancelled out with each other. Now we have root 3 upon 2, and now we have to see which value match this value. Like this, sine 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. Okay, we can match the answer with A. You can write it, the answer is A, but for your self justification know that अगर और कोई भी आंसर होगा कि नहीं. cos 60 क्या होता है? cos 60 is same with sin 30. Then sin 30 is half. Sin 30 is half, and then cos 60 will be half, but we don't have the value of half. We have root 3 upon 2, so cos 60 is not the answer for this. Okay, now tan 60 will be just root 3. So this is not the answer for the value, and sin 30 is half. So now we have the one answer, sin 60. So A will be the answer for now. In number 2 we have 1 minus tan square 45 degree upon 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Okay, now 1 minus 45, tan 45 is 1, then 1 square upon 1 plus 1 square, and 1 minus 1 square तो 1 ही होता है. then 1 minus 1 upon 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and it's equal to 0 upon 2. Okay, तो 0 को किसी भी वैल्यू से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 0 आंसर होता है. 0 आंसर. द आंसर इज D. For the number 3, in number 3, sin 2a equal to 2 sin a. Okay, sin 2a equal to 2 sin a is true. Okay, ये true होगा when a equal to, अच्छा, we have to find out the value of a so that the statement will true. Okay, हम लोगों को a का एंगल पता करना है. Okay, fine. And then sin 2a equal to sin 2 sin a. इस अगर ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो you don't have any way for this other than you can just अगर आपके पास कोई वैल्यू है like a b c and d, just put the value in angle a and check it if it's if the both sides, I mean left hand side and right hand sides, if the left hand side and right hand sides are same with each other, then this is the angle. Okay, then for this angle the statement will be true. You just have to check the value with the answers. Okay, like मैं दिखाती हूँ ऐसे. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में है 0 डिग्री, देन ए के जगह पे हम 0 रखे देखेंगे. LCM और राइट हैंड साइड, सॉरी LCM ने हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड आर सेम और नॉट. ओके, साइन टू एंगल A is 0, then A की जगह पे 0 लिख दीजिए, and 2 sin is 0. Okay, sin 2 cross 2 multiply 0 is 0 and 2 sin 0 का वैल्यू क्या होता है 0. ओके 2 into 0 sin 0 का वैल्यू क्या है 0 and 2 multiply 0 is 0. और तो पहली बार में हो गया. देखो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड आर सेम विथ ईच अदर, सो द वैल्यू ऑफ a is 0. The answer is A. For a sales justification, do it with number B or 30 degree. Okay, sign. It's just for justification, nothing else. Okay, you don't have to write this in your test paper. Sin 2A equal to 2 sin A. So sin 2 A की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे 30 डिग्री और 2 sin 30 degree. Sin 2 into 30 degree is 60 degree and 2 sin 30 degree. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 and 2 into sin 30 is 1 upon 2. 2 is cancel out with each other and root 3 upon 2 it's 1. It's not equal to with 1. So if you have to prove that it's true, it's equal to this equal to this, so a का वैल्यू 30 नहीं होगा, a का वैल्यू होगा 0. okay, now number 4 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree. okay, now 2 into tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. 1 minus tan square 30 is same 1 upon root 3. okay, square because you have tan square 30. Then 2 upon root 3 upon 1 minus root 3 will be 3. Now 2 root 3 upon LCM is 3 and 3 1 0 is 3 and 3 divided with 3 with 1 and 1 1 0 is 1 and this will be 2 root 3 upon 2 upon root 3 upon 2 upon 3. It will be 2 root 3 multiply 3 2 will cancel out with each other and now we have 3 root 3. We can't put it like this 3 in lower side, so you have to cancel out or so अगर आपको ये रूट हटाना है तो रूट 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तो ऊपर में भी रूट 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, नीचे में भी तो ऊपर में रूट 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3 रूट 3 एंड रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 इट विल बी 3 रूट 3 नीचे है root 3 will cancel out with each other and the answer is root 3. और root 3 you have to find out root 3 का कौन सा वैल्यू है. okay, tan 60 is root 3. now the answer is tan 60. it's C. Thank you all for watching the video patiently. Stay safe and healthy. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.